This is QR20 Nissan. We managed to open this engine because there is an issue of overheating. So we have seen the piston rings were stuck and the crankshaft bearings were worn, the main bearings and the big end bearings. So we managed to change those bearings and we have safety the head again, and we managed to clean all parts. As you can see, this engine is clean. Some will say this is a brand new engine, but it's not brand new. That's what we are busy doing at our workshop. Thank you for watching this video. This is Engineer.